Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade tiramisu cake. This classic Italian dessert is surprisingly simple to create at home, offering a delightful balance of coffee, cream, and cocoa. We'll start by preparing the essential components, ensuring each element is perfect for layering. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this elegant and delicious treat, a true taste of Italy right in your kitchen. Let's dive into the steps. First, let's create that luscious mascarpone cream. Whisk 6 large egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, carefully fold in 16 ounces of creamy mascarpone cheese until just combined. In a separate bowl, whip 1 1/2 cups of cold, heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. Gently incorporate the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture, creating a light and airy filling. This step is crucial for the tiramisu's signature texture. Now for the assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into your cooled, strong espresso. Be careful not to soak them too long, or your tiramisu will be soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, spread half of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat this process, adding another layer of dipped ladyfingers and the remaining mascarpone cream. This layering builds the dessert's iconic structure. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. Slice and serve this incredible homemade treat to rave reviews. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.